Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I want to give you a small introduction about my channel. During my career, I came to know that marketing is not a rocket science, but presenting the basic ideas in different angle. And, in today's world, digital platforms are performing as a salesperson for business. So, it is important for your business in digital platforms. This gives you better exposure. In this channel, me and my team are plotting very good ideas for you to begin the wide range of opportunity of digital platforms that help your business to grow 2x faster. Listen, this channel is not just providing tutorials for students or for career growth. Our tutorials giving you some tips and tricks that you can do it yourself. So, this channel would be helpful for small entrepreneurs and celebrities who are beginning in digital channels. Our channel including not just technical tutorials and tips, but also offering awesome strategies that may impact your business growth. Yes, this channel is providing information in digital marketing and web designing sector. Many of the beginners started accounts, pages, websites and blogs in digital space, but they are wondering how others making these platforms as a salesperson for them. Don't be hurry, but stay tuned. We are opening a world of opportunity in the digital world. So, I kindly request you to like, subscribe and share for reaching these channel information to the right ones. Thank you.